In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom Google tag to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to place your Google tag so it loads correctly across your website pages inside GoHighLevel. Before we start, have your Google tag ready to paste. This could be a Google tag for analytics or ads or a Google Tag Manager container. Keep the full snippet, including the script tags. First, open your GoHighLevel account and make sure you're in the correct location for the site you want to track. From the left-hand menu, look for Sites. This is where your website assets live and where we can control global settings that affect every page of a site. Next, choose Websites. This brings up your list of websites created in GoHighLevel. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're selecting the one where you want the tag installed. Click the website name to open it. You'll land on the site's dashboard where you can manage pages, settings, and publishing. We're heading straight for the area that controls tracking code, Open Settings. This is typically along the top or side, depending on your current layout. Inside Settings, locate the section called Tracking and Scripts. Think of this area as the master switchboard for code that needs to run on every page of your website. In the Head Tracking Code field, paste your Google Tag script. The head runs early during page load, which helps with accurate page view tracking and firing conversions reliably. Be sure to paste the entire snippet exactly as provided. Don't remove script tags and avoid adding the same tag more than once. If you've installed a tag elsewhere in the site previously, remove duplicates to prevent double counting events. In the body tracking code field, paste any code that specifically instructs you to place it immediately after the opening body tag. For example, Google Tag Manager provides a no-script iframe for the body. Not every tag includes body code, so if yours doesn't, it's fine to leave this field empty. When you're done, click Save. Your changes will now apply across all pages of this website. If you manage multiple websites or funnels separately, repeat these steps within each respective asset where you want tracking. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Allow a few minutes for caching to clear and then verify the installation using a tool like Google Tag Assistant or real-time reports and analytics. If your region requires consent, make sure your tagging complies with privacy regulations and consent preferences. That's it. Your custom Google tag is now added to GoHighLevel.